Let's bring in Peter McGuire, Chief Market Strategist at FX Global, joining us with his views on the currency markets. Peter, thanks so much for joining us. Concerns on China have suddenly come to the forefront, and if we do see risk aversion globally, do you think there could be increased demand for the dollar as a safe haven?
Yes, I think so, and good morning, and thanks for inviting me on the show. What I think you're going to see is probably a continuation strengthening in the dollar. I noticed the US dollar index is sitting at around about 80. I think the interest rates will probably rise within the next 6 to 8 months in the US, and already that's going to probably push up the value of the dollar quite considerably. So I think we're in for a stronger dollar and probably weaker commodity prices.
Apart from the dollar, what about yen and euro as currencies? We've seen the overall outcome of the Greek issue being more or less out of the way, so that has lended some bit of support to the euro. Apart from that, what about yen? For both these two currencies, what's your near-term and medium-term outlook?
Yes, I think we're going to see probably a continuation, stronger US against the yen, of course. Euro, I think it'll probably, as I keep on getting back to the main key drivers, US has got fairly strong undertones there as far as unemployment numbers. They're getting better month on month, whereas Europe seems to be just languishing. And I think you're going to probably see a continuation, probably say 125, 126 the euro against the US dollar within the best part of say 60 to 90 days.
Peter, what is the recommended trade right now for clients? What are you recommending in terms of a strategy?
Stronger US dollar. I mean, it's been very evident what's happened with against the Aussie dollar. It's down now at around about 104.5. Just along that sort of line, I think there's probably more upside against the Japanese yen as well. So I think they're the main, the best bets at the moment.
Peter, thank you so much for joining us this morning on NDTV Profit.